Hello everyone, hope you are well. Today in this video I am going to talk about how to invest in real estate with low budget. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So you want to invest your money in real estate but you have low budget. In that case, you can, number one, you can find out shops in remote area where shop prices are cheaper than urban area, so that you can buy shop from remote area where shops prices are cheaper than urban area, and you can give rent your shop to other person. Number two, you can find out house or flat in remote area or village area where house price or flat prices are cheaper than urban area or town area, so that you can buy house or flat at cheap rate or with low budget. Number three, you can find out those property of which property owner wants to sell their property on emergency purpose or emergency basis, so that you can buy those property with low budget or with cheap rate. So that's the end of this video. I will come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.